guys, it's Shania, and today I'm going to be doing a realistic school makeup tutorial routine. Okay, so I would have to wake up at 6:30 or 6 to 6:30 in the morning for school. So me personally, not a morning person at all. Like, I am not gonna want to do a full beat face at 6 to 6:30 in the morning. I'm going to be doing a realistic routine. Okay, so let's just get right on into it. First of all, priming. Probably not gonna do that. So we're just gonna go straight in and skip foundation, because who the heck wants to do foundation at 6:30 in the morning? Like, what the heck? Not this one. And basically just putting concealer like at the center of my face, because that's mostly where people are going to be looking. I'm just gonna blend that out then. Now, obviously, we're done blending, so we're gonna set, and of course I'm gonna set with my airspun powder under my eyes. Now, with a fluffier brush and on the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the Fit Me powder, pressed powder, and basically just go over that with the rest of my face. Okay, now that I kind of look albino, I'm going to bronze my face a little bit with another fluffier brush, and I'm just going to use the same thing I used to contour. This color right there, and just add a little bit of definition back to my face because I'm looking a little flat here. I also want to say, this is the first time I'm doing makeup with my contacts in, and yikes. Okay, now that that's done, quickly going in with my blush. Now I'm going to add a little bit more than I normally would. I just really like blush. I don't know. Now we're going to put on eyebrows, because my eyebrows are really off to my hair color, as y'all know. I dyed my hair black. I have a video on how I did it up on my channel, and now I have to fill in my eyebrows every day because my eyebrows are too light. Okay, good enough, you know, you just slap them on, you know. I'm just kidding, this is really bothering me, you have no idea. I just really want to just start over. But we're not quitters here. I mean, we quit for everything else, but not eyebrows. Okay, good enough, they're mediocre. We're just gonna roll with it. Trying to screw anything else up. Now I'm going in with mascara, just because my eyes look really just there, honestly. Okay, now for lips. Literally just wiping off my lips a little bit and putting on clear lip gloss, because anybody's got time for liquid lipstick. And honestly, who wants to wear liquid lipstick to school? That, like, come on now. For the finale, we gonna spray with setting spray, all-nighter setting spray, yeah. Highlighter, and then this is a never-ending look. Okay, take a little bit on my finger and put it on my eye, just for a little pizzazz. I mean, you have to do that. Maybe put a little bit on the inner corner. Yeah, maybe. That's it. See how quick and easy that took me. 19 minutes and 7 seconds. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had fun filming it because, I don't know, I haven't really done makeup this quick before. It usually takes me an hour to 2 hours, maybe 30 minutes to 2 hours to do a full face of makeup, but, you know, switching it up, it's good. Get out of my comfort zone, you know, try something new. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!